Hello, this is Angry Ginger Cod, and this video is my ringtones for families and friends. Now this video might show some racism or discriminatory words, but it's all just fun. And if you can't take fun, don't watch the video. And let's just start it off with my dad. My dad's ringtone, right here.
Oh no, it's your dad calling. What does he want? What does he want?
I picked that ringtone because he's a scary guy. Now, my mom's ringtone.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just a chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat.
Now, I picked that ringtone. It's because she loves JT. Justin Timberlake all the way. My mom would-be boyfriend, if she could. Any day. Now, let's go if my sister called me.
Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new.
Okay. It's my sister. Now, if Kissel, my brother Josh, Ryan calls me, I got right here.
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
I picked that one because they're really weird and idiots. Proves a lot. Now, I'll start off with Quincy. Quincy, or as he likes to be called, New Generation YX, I believe. And let me find it. This one's kind of a funny one, so here it goes.
Nigga, 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 nigga. I'm 100% nigga. Nigga, 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 nigga. I'm 200% nigga.
I love you, Quincy. That one's funny. Now, let's go to Mega Blade Z, or Jose. This one's pretty funny, too. Oh. Nerdy. What a nerdy. Nerdy. Okay. You know who else I have? I got Lewis. He doesn't have a YouTube name, so I'm just gonna call him Lewis. He's probably like my best friend, so who cares? And if Lewis called me, this would come up. Where is it? Here it is.
It's your telephone! Pick up, 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 pick up. Holy guacamole, it's your mobile phone! Arr, arr, arr.
Or I could always just do the normal, just the Mexican scanner.
Scanning for Mexicans.
That one's pretty funny. That's really funny because Lewis, that's a joke with his girl, Misty, and me, that he's Mexican. Jose has his own name for him, which I will not repeat in this video. And now, if just anybody just calls me, one of my favorite artists will come on. If I find the freaking ringtone, right here.
I'm a hide by the astronaut, crashing while jacking off the buckler, bids, astronaut, eating applesauce. Sent to Earth to poke hapless and gonna ask for sauce, not blood ashes into their caskets and laugh it off. I'm a high.
Yep. And that's my ringtones. And here's a drunk Smurf. That's a drunk Smurf for you. Don't know why. Just random. Here's like one of my third videos. So if you like it, if you like the comedy with it, if you think I'm funny, subscribe, like the video. If you don't subscribe, click the dislike button, because I don't care. You could put 10,000 dislikes and 1 like, and I wouldn't care. So you could write all the negative comments you want, because I don't care. And if you like it, drop a comment. If you want to see another video, and I didn't think of. I know Mega Blade Z gave me a couple ones, but I just have to think about it, because I'm not the smartest individual, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I just called myself dumb. You know why? Because I don't care. And school's 2 days away. And I mentioned a couple people in this video, like New Generation YX. He's pretty cool. You should subscribe to him. And also Mega Blade Z. He's a pretty cool guy too. So subscribe to him. I'm on Facebook. Just look me up, Morgan McKenna. Anything. Message me. Whatever. I don't care. So just remember, be safe, and I'm a